To some news in education now, the ministry is working on a policy to help address violence in schools. Minister of Education Favour Williams said the policy will include input from the Justice Ministry. She gave the update at a restorative justice conference on Friday. It follows several recent violent attacks at schools, some of which have been recorded and posted on social media. The attacks include students targeting teachers. Now, last year, there were also several deadly attacks at schools in rural and urban areas.
We are finalizing the protocols for when students fight in school, to take those students and their parents or the adults in their homes and get them through restorative justice sessions so they can understand. Yes, you can cheer for that. We need to get the perpetrator and the victim in the same space talking about the issues. And I know it works. I've seen it at work in Augustown Primary School.